ये मनाजिर हैं भारतीय रियासत हरियाणा के, जहां दो मुकामी मुसलमानों जुनैद और नासिर को हिंदू इंतहा पसंद तंजीम बजरंग दल के गुंडों ने शहीद कर दिया। इस वाक़े के हवाले से अमरीकी टेलीविजन चैनल PBS की खुसूसी रिपोर्ट मुलाहिजा फरमाएं।
Why do you think your husband was targeted?
Because he was Muslim. He had no enemies, nothing. Only because he was a Muslim.
Junaid and Nasir's alleged killers belong to Bajrang Dal, a far-right Hindu extremist group which the US once labelled a militant religious organisation. They attack Muslim men for allegedly smuggling and killing cows, considered sacred by many Hindus. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tenure, India has seen rising anti-Muslim violence by self-styled vigilantes. Videos like these of Muslim, Christian and other religious minorities being beaten are all too common. Human Rights Watch reported in recent years dozens of Muslim men have been killed and hundreds injured in hate crimes. The prime suspect in Junaid and Nasir's case is this man, Monu Manesar, a local Hindu right leader, often seen with assault rifles. He used to upload videos of his own crimes against Muslims on social media. He has also been seen in the company of top government ministers, including Modi's right-hand man, India's Home Minister Amit Shah.
जहां एक तरफ हिंदू इंतहा पसंद सरकारी सरपरस्ती में मुसलमानों की नस्लकुशी में मसरूफ हैं, वहीं भारतीय हुकूमत मुसलमानों की बस्तियों, कारोबारी मराकज़ और मसाजिद को मिस्मार कर रही है।
This used to be a bustling cluster of Muslim-owned shops, businesses and homes that have now been reduced to rubble by Indian authorities. The government says it was targeting illegal construction, but activists and civil society experts say that this is part of a larger trend and that India's Hindu right government has weaponized demolishment of Muslim properties as a mode of collective punishment and to instill fear in the community.
इंसानी हुकूक के कारकुनों का कहना है कि भारतीय हुकूमत मुसलमानों और दीगर अक़लियतों की जायदादों को एक सोचे समझे मंसूबे के तहत मिस्मार कर रही है।
There are many things which are illegally built in India, but the idea that it is just these particular habitations that's being targeted is, I think, symptomatic of the broader issue of essentially minorities being targeted because of their beliefs. The state is sort of giving or granting a broad permission structure under which these groups are allowed to act with impunity. I think it's fair to say that we can expect, more of this to continue in the months and years to come.
भारत के बाज़मीर सहाफ़ियों का कहना है कि मोदी के दौरे हुकूमत में जहां एक तरफ मुसलमानों की जायदादों की मिसमारी और इन पर हमलों में तशवीशनाक हद तक इजाफा हुआ है, वहीं ऐसे कवानीन भी मुतारिफ कराए गए हैं जो मुस्लिम दुश्मनी पर मबनी हैं।
Now the government says that all these places where we are sending our demolition squad, they are illegally occupied. In the past, particularly 10 years, there have been instances where Muslims were attacked, and there are laws also which critics say that discriminate against Muslims.
अक़वाम आलम की जिम्मेदारी है कि वो भारत में मुसलमानों और दीगर अक़लियतों के खिलाफ मोदी हुकूमत के बढ़ते हुए मज़ालिम का नोटिस लें और हिंदुत्वा दहशतगर्दी के इफरीत को काबू करने के लिए अमली इक़दामात करें।
दुरुस्त हर वक्त बर वक्त।